What is color grading and why does it matter in wedding films? Color grading goes beyond simply adjusting exposure, contrast, and white balance. That's considered color correction, where we take the footage from the camera and we make it look more natural and clean. Color grading is where the magic truly happens, and we can transform that footage from flat to cinematic. We're talking about creating a specific look and feel to the wedding film, whether it's dialing in those perfect skin tones or highlighting key elements of the wedding day. Grading is more than a technical process. It's a creative tool that allows us to match the vibe and the style of the couple's day. Color grading plays a crucial role in wedding films, just as it does in Hollywood blockbusters. It allows us to bring out the emotion and atmosphere from the day. And with today's cameras allowing us to shoot in a flat log profile, it really gives us flexibility in post-production to get that look and feel that we're after. At Bride&Groom.video, we've developed a clean, efficient grading system that works across a wide variety of projects. It's fast, consistent, and always produces incredible results. Now, if you have a custom look and style that you're going for and you want us to match, that's no problem at all. Just keep in mind that custom grading does take a little more time and attention. Let me show you how we do it. When we talk about color grading, we're usually working in DaVinci Resolve, the go-to tool for serious color work. While we can achieve solid results with color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Resolve, these programs differ significantly in their capabilities. Premiere and Final Cut are great for foundational correction, which we include in every project by default, but they aren't built for the kind of advanced cinematic color grading we specialize in. That's where DaVinci Resolve truly shines. It gives us way more creative freedom and far more tools to dial in the look. It's hands down the most advanced tool for color correction, which is why we rely on it to achieve that cinematic, polished feel in our wedding films. After years of working with DaVinci Resolve, we developed a custom 7-node structure specifically for wedding films. It's designed to adapt to different shooting styles, making it super flexible when clients have unique color preferences. Plus, it keeps the workflow logical and consistent, so making adjustments down the line is a breeze. Here's a breakdown of our 7-node base structure. Noise reduction. Removes noise from the raw footage before any other changes are made. White balance. Adjusts white balance as needed. Skin tone. Correct skin tones. Exposure. Adjust exposure and contrast, mainly using color wheels. Vignette. Adds vignetting if needed. It's essential to do this before converting to Rec. 709 to preserve dynamic range. Sometimes we add parallel nodes to modify local exposure. Color space transform. This converts the log profile to Rec. 709 using either the native DaVinci plugin or LUTs, depending on profile availability. This is done near the end of the process because log profiles preserve up to 15 stops of dynamic range. After Rec. 709 conversion, you're limited to about 7. LUT 1. We apply a LUT to stylize the image. If needed, we can use 2 to 3 LUT nodes to stack looks depending on the creative direction. When a film look is required, we use standard Resolve plugins like Film Look Creator, Halation, and Film Grain, placing them at the end of the node tree. This type of structured color correction is something we can apply across all 3 programs, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, and it's already included in the standard editing price. But when it comes to advanced color grading, creating custom looks, film-like aesthetics, or stylized tones, that's a separate service. For that, we recommend DaVinci Resolve, as it's the industry standard tool built specifically for high-end grading work. So, why do we recommend using our color grading system? With a team of over 90 editors and more than 5,000 wedding films under our belts, we know what works. We've developed this color grading system that delivers fast, consistent, and beautiful results, which saves you time, budget, and the back and forth that can really slow things down. Now, having said that, if you do have a color grading system that you just love, whether it's in Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, we'd be happy to work with you on that. Just let us know in advance so we can all be on the same page when it comes to timeline and pricing. If you're interested in seeing how all this could possibly work for your wedding films, feel free to click the link below to schedule a free consultation call with me. I'd be happy to walk you through our process and get you started on your first order. We look forward to working with you soon.